3, 2, 1.
Why you click until so high?
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today what we were gonna be doing,
Not unboxing, but to
Sentosa, and we will be doing some challenge. So this challenge is where we scissors, paper, stone, and then after that the winner get to choose the food. So we got 3 food we're gonna choose. What is it?
main, snack and drinks.
Yeah, so we will bring you there now.
Grocery shopping? Nah.
So now we're gonna choose what to bring to the picnic.
Because he's an eye.
So we go to the snack section.
Hey, this is not a snack section.
No, I'm going up.
Okay.
Is the snack section on top? The scissors, paper, stone. Scissors, paper, stone.
What mean?
Snack lah.
Oh.
So what do you get? Now we're gonna do the drinks. So scissors, paper, stone. It's Mr. Coconut already. Scissors, paper, stone. Yeah, let you choose that.
I need to choose the most expensive one. No lah, I'm just joking. Yeah.
Where's the receipt?
No receipt. There were 3. Dance. So we're going now.
Yeah, go where? Siloso beach.
Look at my beach. Beach.
Let's go.
Yay. Do you have anything to say?
You almost made me fall down.
I almost made him fall down. I didn't. It's just he fall for me. No, wait. Guess what, guys? We haven't. Yes, we are going to get our last stuff, which is the coconut. I want to drink coconut because of this weather. Singapore is always very hot. Coconut. Waiting time, how long?
Like 15 minutes.
Thank you. Coconut.
Let's call it. This coconut. Oh, got dessert. Chendol.
Wait, 我们废话不多说 Let's go to the next stop.
So now we are at one of the shelter, and then we are going to
The beach.
sit down first. Hey, this is the small one, is it?
Yeah! You never open and check. Look at him.
Good enough.
This you lying down the space.
Now I show you the food. Grilled chicken with choco bagel. Fish fillet with cheese sourdough bagel.
No.
Kebab. Kebab.
Okay, 你的料里面是什么？肉。Our snack.
Tiramisu.
Daily bowl.
This is mine. Then after
No,
the rest
this
is
is
yours.
mine.
Then we got the normal coconut shake with coconut ball.
Okay, next drink.
Then we got the Oreo one with
Oreo.
Kuala Malacca. Then it's time to eat.
So, where are we now?
We are going to reach the train.
Yeah,
Then
we're
after
going
that,
back.
we'll go back to Vivo. What the hell? The queue, by the way.
Huh? This is mad. Mad, crazy.
What the hell?
Guess what? We end up never take. Cause the queue is too long. So we plan to...
The time we walk, right? I don't think we will even want to walk at Vivo anymore.
And this will be our walking session. Look at this. He 累了 when it's just a while from there. 累了 no such thing. Oh, my booty. They can see you now. Ta-da! End up, we managed to walk out of Sentosa. We are on closer to Vivo.
So now we are going big. We'll call it a day. What are you gonna say? Bye.